Hello, welcome to my channel and welcome once again to the sample paper solution of English Olympiad. And for topic for sample paper today is preposition, and this is specially for our little class 2 students. Okay kids, let's get started. Are you excited? Let's get started. Okay, direction for question 1 to 5, choose the correct preposition from the given option. Sam is standing near a car. Now this is your sentence. You need to choose which word in this sentence is a preposition. Okay, you already know what is a preposition. Now tell me, is it option A is, or option B car, or option C near, or option D standing? Which word is preposition in this sentence? Read the sentence carefully and go through your option. Okay, take your time. You already know what is a preposition, and if you think it is option C, you're absolutely right. Well done. Next sentence. Robin is going to school. Now what is preposition in this sentence? Is it Robin? Is it going? Is it the? Or is it to? Which word is a preposition in this sentence? Look at the sentence, look at your option, and the correct answer is option D, to is a preposition. Okay, next sentence is Peter is standing on a bridge. Now what is preposition in which word is a preposition in this sentence? Is it Peter? Is it on? Is it is? Or is it a bridge? Which option is correct? A, B, C, D. What is the preposition in this sentence? Look at your sentence carefully and choose your option correctly. The preposition in this sentence is B, option on. Okay, our next sentence is there are clouds over the mountain. Now, what is the preposition in this sentence? Is it there? Is it are? Is it over? Or is it clouds? What is the preposition in this sentence? Look at the sentence carefully. Look at your option carefully. You already know what is the preposition. So if your answer is over, it is absolutely right. The answer is over. Option C. Next sentence. Next sentence is Sia was hiding behind the curtain. Now, what is the preposition in this sentence? Is it hiding? Is it behind? Is it the, or is it curtain? What it is? It should be D over here. What is the preposition in this sentence? Your option A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? The preposition in this sentence is option B, behind. Okay? See how quickly we have reached question 6. And for 6 to 10, your instruction is choose the correct option to fill in the blanks with the help of picture. Now see the picture carefully and fill in the blanks with choosing the correct options from here. Okay? Are you ready? Can we start? Yes, let's go. The sun is dash the cloud. Now which word will come over here? Look at the picture carefully. The sun is on the cloud, behind the cloud, off the cloud, or near the cloud. What will be option? Which option is correct? Is A correct? Is B correct? Is C correct? Or D is correct? Which one is correct? See the picture carefully. Which one is correct? It is option B. The sun is behind the clouds. Okay? Let's move on to the next one. The next sentence is the tree is dash the house. Your options are near, in, on, under. Now, which one is correct? The tree is near the house, or the tree is in the house, the tree is on the house, or the tree is under the house. Which one is correct? It is option A. The tree is near the house. Okay? Understood? Okay, let's move on to the next sentence. The cat is dash the chair. The cat is in the chair, the cat is on the chair, the cat is onto the chair, the cat is under the chair. Which one is correct? Which sentence sounded you correct when I said all the sentence? It is option D. Look at the picture. The cat is under the chair. Okay. Now next one. The strawberry are dash the basket. Look at the picture. The strawberry are at the basket. The strawberry are near the basket. The strawberry are in the basket. The strawberry are on the basket. Now which one is correct? Which sentence is correct? The strawberry are in the basket. They are in the basket, right? Okay, they are looking so juicy and yummy. Who wants to eat strawberries? Even I want to eat strawberries. Okay, let's move on to the next question. The children are playing dash the river. Which word will come over here? In, beside, on, between. Which word will come over here? Which option is correct? It is option B. The children are playing beside the river. Okay. Oh, we have reached question 11. And for 11 to 18, your instruction is choose the correct option to fill in the blanks. Okay. Let's get started. I left my bag dash the table. Which word will come over here? Is it in, on, over, to? Which word will come over here? I left my bag on the table. Next sentence. The family waited dash the bus stop. Is it near? Is it up? Is it into or over? The family waited. Which option is correct? It's near the bus stop. Okay? Okay. Let's move on to the next sentence. It says, Kanika was not feeling well, so she went dash a doctor. In, onto, to, on. Which word will come over here? Kanika was not feeling well, so she went to a doctor. Okay, option C. Next sentence. The scared kitten had dashed the table for the whole day. Now, which word will come over here? Under, in, across, between. Which word will come over here? It is under. The scared kitten hid under the table for the whole day. Oh my God, the kitten must have been very scared. Okay, right? Okay, next sentence. The goat fell dash a pit. Which word will come over? On, across, to, into. Which word is correct? Look at the sentence. Look at your options. What will come over there? It is option D. The goat fell into a pit. Okay. Next sentence is the plane is flying dash the clouds. What word will come over here? To, over, in, into. Which word should come over here? Which is the correct option? It is option B, over. The plane is flying over the clouds. Next sentence. Rohit sits dash me in the class. Which word should come over here? To, on, under, beside. Which option is correct? Is A correct? Is B correct? Is C correct? Or D is correct? Which one is correct? It is option D. Rohit sits beside me in the class. Okay. Next sentence. There is a trunk dash my grandma's bed. On, in, under, between. These are your options. And what will be the correct answer? What word should we come over here? Which is the correct option? It is under. There is a trunk under my grandma's bed. Well done, kids. I'm so proud of you. You are doing great. Okay. We have reached question 19. For 19 to 23, your instruction is look at the picture and choose the correct option to fill in the blank. So let's see what the picture is. Where is the picture? Okay, let's first read the sentence. The vases dash the table. And where is the picture? Oh, here is the picture. Now tell me, the vase is in, the table, the vase is on the table, the vase is above the table, the vase is below the table. What is, where is the vase? Which option is correct? Look at the option carefully. Which option is correct? It is on. The vase is on the table. Okay. Now next sentence. The boy is holding the juice carton dash his hand. Now between, on, in, to. Which word is correct? The boy is holding a juice carton in his hand. Option C. Okay. Next sentence. The fridge magnets are dash refrigerator. Okay, the fridge magnet are in the refrigerator, the fridge magnet on the refrigerator, the fridge magnets above the refrigerator, the fridge magnets across the refrigerator. Which one is correct? In, on, above or across? Which word is correct? Look at the option carefully. Look at, I'll show you the sentence. Look at the sentence. The fridge magnets are dash refrigerator. What it will be? It will be the fridge magnets are on the refrigerator. It is option B. Okay. Very good. Okay. The next one is the milk is dash flowing the pan. Out, over, completely, into. Which one is correct? It is option B. The milk is overflowing the pan. Okay. Okay. Next is the ball rolled dash the chairs. Now look at the picture. The ball rolled next to the chair, the ball rolled before the chair, between the chair or over the chair. It is between the chair. The ball is in between the chair. So option is between, and your complete sentence is the ball rolled between the chairs. Okay. Okay. Well done kids. I'm so proud of you. We have reached question 24, and for 24 to 30 your instruction is choose the correct option to fill in the blanks. Okay, this is a passage. I'll tell you what you have to do. And in the passage you can see some numbers are given. Can you see this number? From 24 to 30 numbers are given. And for these number you have been given some options over here. So you have to read the passage, and for the fill in the blanks you need to see which option is given for which number, and you have to put those correct option over here. Okay, let's get started. A little red hen named Rosie lived dash a house in a tree. Which word will come over here? On, into, in, or across. Which word will come over here? A little red hen named Rosie lived. Which word will come over here? It is in. Option C. I'll just put it for you. Okay. So a little red hen named Rosie lived in a house in a tree. Cammy the fox lived in the woods nearby. Cammy was hungry. There was no food in his house, so the fox picked dash his bag. Now for 25th your option are up, to, in, down. So Sammy picked up his bag. So we're going to put up over here. Okay. So the fox picked up his bag and said, I am going dash. Now for 26, I am going dash. I am going in, to, on, between. I am going to. Option B. Let's put it. I am going to catch Rosie and eat it. It will make a yummy meal. When Rosie the hen was away, Cammy the fox went For 27, your option is on, across, in, near. So it will be what? For 27, your option are these. It will be in. It will be in. One second. Yes. Okay, let's take this one only. It is option C, in. Okay. So let's go and put it over there. For 27, it's in. 27 is in. Okay. When Rosie the hen was away, Cammy the fox went in her dash to his hiding place. For 28, what it will be? 28 option are up, across, to, near. For 28, it will be near. Okay. So let's go and put it over there. For 28, it is near. Okay. Near to his hiding place, he pounced dash her from behind. For 29, your option are he pounced on, in, to, under. So your option is he pounced on. Okay, let's put it. He pounced on her from behind, but Rosie the hen saw him and jumped away from him. She took a sword and ran after the fox. Cammy the fox ran here and there, but Rosie kept chasing the fox. Ultimately, the fox got tired and ran away from Rosie's house along with his bag, dashed to his own house. Now for 30th, your option is. Let's see what is the option for 30th. It is near, to, over, behind. Ran where? Ran to. Okay, let's put it and see. And we have completed the whole passage. Two. Okay, done. Let's read it. I'll just read it once again for you. The little red hen named Rosie lived in a house in a tree. Cammy the fox lived in the woods nearby. Cammy was hungry. There was no food in his house. So the fox picked up his bag and said, I am going to catch Rosie and eat it. It will make a yummy meal. When Rosie the hen was away, Cammy the fox went in her near to his hiding place. He pounced on her from behind, but Rosie the hen saw him and jumped away from him. She took a sword and ran after the fox. Cammy the fox ran here and there, but Rosie kept chasing the fox. Ultimately, the fox got tired and ran away from Rosie's house along with his bag to his own house. Passage is completed. Okay, let's move on to the next sentence. Oh wow, we have reached achiever section. That was quick. Okay, let's start solving it. For question 31 to 32, choose the correct option to fill in the blank with the help of a given picture. Okay, the dog is sitting dash the tree. Now your words are near, under, far and in. Where is the dog sitting? No, your option are near, under, far, in. So, what is the correct answer? It is under. Okay, the dog is sitting under the tree. Okay, next one. Our next sentence is Shruti is putting the vegetables dash the fridge on, under, into, behind. It is into. Shruti is putting the vegetables into the fridge. Okay, let's go on. For 33 to 35, your instruction is choose the option to fill in the blanks. Okay, let's start. Rashmi stood dash me in the queue. Over, under, behind, again under. Now tell me which option will come. It will be behind. Rashmi stood behind me in the queue. Next sentence. There is a bridge dash the river. Under, over, near, on. Where is the bridge? There is a bridge over the river. Option B. Next sentence. I think someone is knocking at the door. I think someone is knocking dash the door. So in, across, behind, on. Which one was come? It is on. I think someone is knocking on the door. Okay. Okay kids, we have reached the end of our sample paper solution. Keep practicing and do like and subscribe our channel for more such videos. Till then, see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.